In the row, we fought, take flight, creativity, nervous, guiding light, talent, and meditation, a canvas, and field. The whole magic, creativity saves the world. In the mind's fertile garden, ideas bloom, a kaleidoscope of visions, dispelling gloom. Thoughts like seeds in the wind, swirling, twirled. A harvest of change, how creativity saves the world.
Writers weave tales, ink flowing like a stream. In the pages they craft reality's team. Words birth wisdom as stories are hurled, a narrative of transformation, how creativity saves the world.
Artisans sculpt dreams from the clay of their mind, carving tomorrows, leaving the past behind. Statues of hope in the sculptor's hands curled are testament to creation, how creativity saves the world.
From the stage to the screen, performers take the lead. A play unfolding, a story to heed. Actors breathe life into scripts twirled, a drama of redemption, how creativity saves the world.
Musicians compose symphonies, a harmonious blend, notes dancing on air, a melody to mend, strings of unity in harmony swelled, a cadence of togetherness, how creativity saves the world.
Creators dance with colors, painters of the sim line, strokes on canvas, a visual paradigm. In every shade and hue, a flag unfurled, a spectrum of beauty, how creativity saves the world.
So let the spark of inspiration brightly burn. In every soul, let the creative fire churn. For in the boundless realms, where dreams are twirled, we witness the miracle, how creativity saves the world.